Okay, so today we are down in Northampton on this Monday morning here at RedClean, start of a new week. We're down in Northampton on quite a large property, to be fair, a holy property if you will. We've got a big cathedral, a little cafe that sort of serves it, and the Bishop's house. We've got Martin and we've got Stuart down here today, getting all these clusters clear them out for the rainy seasons to come, and yeah. You'll see from the videos, some of them do need a good clear out.
We're cleaning gutters. I'm trying to. Fucking stupid thing.
New day here at RedClean. I'm out today with one of our window cleaners and with Sonny.
So do it.
As per usual, you know, we've got a lot of the lads out doing windows, joining one of them today. 25 houses, full round for Sonny. He's got a full round of houses to be doing, getting on with cleaning. We're out in Buckingham, Bicester and Milton Keynes, so all over the shop really. So what's this, about house 8 maybe? So we've come to this property here. The map hasn't been too useful or helpful looking for a certain house that isn't quite on the map. Different signs all over the place, but this could be it. Sonny's on his head. The house?
Yeah.
Sorted. Oh, right. Looks like we just about found it in the end. And get cracking back on. So that'll about do it for me today with Sonny. Out and about again, one of the window boys. as per usual, the boys are here every day of the week getting the houses, the windows clean. Yeah, we'll see what the rest of the week brings.
It's been a pleasure. Signing out, RedClean. So we do it.
Morning all, you're joining us on a freezing Friday morning at RedClean. We are going out today, me and Sean going to go and see some of the cleaners. I see them every morning at the unit, but it's nice to actually go and see them earning their money instead of just chatting away at the unit in the morning. We got a few different buildings to go and see today. We're at a commercial building at the minute. A lot of people are asking us why we clean windows still in the winter months. We're off to go and catch up with some of the boys then. If you want to hear more, see more of our stuff, get any more information on why you should have your windows cleaned in the winter, please hit subscribe, follow us. Any comments you might have, leave them below, and we'll speak to you soon.
Right, so we're just on our way to meet our first window cleaner of the day, Stuart, I believe.
Yeah,
Catching up with. Got Rory back in the driver's seat for this one. It's been a long time coming. It's been, I don't know, you've been out with something, I'm not quite sure what.
I've been a very busy boy.
Very busy. And yeah, it must feel good to be back in front of the camera.
Not really.
No.
No, I don't
That's
mind.
a typical
It's
response.
nice to get out of the office for a bit.
Sure.
Sometimes just don't, it's just too busy to allow me to come out.
Right, yeah.
But it's nice to come out and catch up with the cleaners.
Yeah, check on the lads. I'm going to talk about kind of why it's good to clean your windows in the winter still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, a lot of people believe that it's seasonal, and it's not. There's a few reasons really why it's good to stay on top of the window cleaning in the winter.
Yeah, and we'll sort of explore those reasons why as we go through the day and meet the various cleaners on this cold morning. The sun's low, the temperature's low, but the window cleaners are still out there getting those windows done in the winter.
So it's a frosty morning. We're RedClean today. We're just coming out onto a few of the jobs that some of the lads are out on today. It's freezing. The guys are still working in the cold. We still work in the winter. Nothing really stops us. We're going to go and see Stuart. Hello, Stuart.
Hello, Rory.
How are you doing? Good. What are you doing?
Cleaning windows.
Why would you do such a thing in such horrendous weather? I know, it's horrible, isn't it? So why do we clean windows in the winter? So there's quite a few reasons, to be honest. One of them being that the sun is at its lowest in the winter time, so any imperfections on your glass is going to show up more. You're going to get more dirt on your windows in the winter. More dirt leads to obviously dirty windows. You're not going to be able to see through them. And it also lets the light penetrate your house, which can help reduce heating costs, which obviously at this time of the year we all know we like to save a couple of quid. So yeah, the more sun you're getting in your house this time of the year, the better. Obviously the more dirt that's on your window is going to affect the sunlight coming through. It's the perfect weather for algae to grow. Yeah, you want to get it removed. So yeah, we don't stop working in the winter. We carry on 360 days a year or something we work. Yeah, the windows don't clean themselves, and as I say, the sun is at its lowest. So for me, I notice my windows dirtier in the winter than I do in the summer. So yeah, that along with a few other reasons that we'll fill you in on during the course of the day. So we're here at one of our commercial jobs that we do in Milton Keynes. So we're going to catch up with Martin on the windows. One of the other benefits of having your windows cleaned in the winter is some people get sad in the winter. It's actually a condition. People get depressed and down because of the dark and dreary days. Obviously having your windows cleaned can eliminate some of that problem as well. A nice sunny house, nice bright house. The darkness affects people's mental health. And yeah, that's another good reason to get your windows cleaned in the winter. I'm not saying it's going to save you or cure mental health problems, but obviously the more light there is, the better you feel. And everybody knows we always feel better in the summer than we do in the winter. So let's go and catch up with Martin now and see if he's helping people's mental health. Keeping yourself nice and warm by scrubbing the windows as fast as you can. Yeah. I always found that the days seem to be quicker in the winter because you do work faster, don't you? Work faster to stay warm. Have you had any problems with windows freezing up?
No, I was alright. I've been all good. Because I had Steve's dad's office first.
Oh, okay.
It's all inside, isn't it? So
Yeah. Nice warm one to start with.
yeah, and I had to let my pipes defrost.
Well, yeah, we used to have the problem in the winter when you're doing domestic properties. Sometimes they won't have a heater or heat on in the conservatory. So as you're cleaning the windows with the pure water, it would just sheet up. You just have a sheet of ice over the windows. So anywhere that's heated isn't usually a problem, but the conservatories can be. As we always point out to the customers, that it's pure water that's frozen onto that window. So as the temperatures do thaw, that sheet will just slide down and take any dirt and debris with it. We've never had, I've always said to the customers that and if the clean comes out any different to what it would do normally when it's not icy, call us and we'll go back and rectify it. We've never had a call back, so that sheet of ice does just slide down, it does take away the dirt, and it is still as effective on the windows. I'm out with Sean today on a freezing day to do a little bit on camera. I've done a little bit on camera and I'm now hiding back in my vehicle because it is freezing out there. So Sean's still out there getting some more footage. And I'm hiding away because I'm scared of the cold. I've been in the office now for about a year and a half, maybe getting on for 2 years, and I've climatised to the office. I don't like being out in the cold anymore, so I'm hiding. We're here at Stacey Bush's in Milton Keynes now, at yet another commercial property that we look after. We got Aaron down here today with Harry, just cleaning up the shop windows. No matter what time of the year it is, we're out working. Obviously with shops, they want their windows looking good because it's their curb appeal. The front of the building looks good, people come in and buy their chairs. That's why they keep using us. So it brings us back to the curb appeal on houses. A lot of people tend to stop in the winter having their windows cleaned. But again, it's curb appeal. You want your house to look good, just like the shops want their shop entrances to look good. And the only way to do that is to maintain your cleaning. Also as well, it protects your windows. When dirt, algae, everything like that settles on your windows, around your frames and seals, it will disrupt the longevity of your windows. They can rot, lead to damp. The damp inside can then lead to black mould. So if you want to protect your windows and you want to keep them lasting as long as they should do, keep them clean. Let's go and see Aaron and Harry. Hi mate, how are you doing?
Cold.
Cold. Where's Harry?
Burger van.
Burger van. So Harry's escaped and run down to the burger van. I don't blame him. Where? So Harry, so we've come to see you working and found you've snuck off to a burger van.
We've done it.
What delicacies have you bought, Harry?
None of your business. This is my lunch break.
Wait, Harry, there's no such thing as a lunch break. How you doing? See, we were like proper paps then, weren't we?
Fuck.
Jumped out from behind the vehicle.
I noticed you in the corner of my eye. I was just like, hang on. Then you said something, I looked right over. Fuck's sake.
So we do let the lads of RedClean have lunch breaks as well. Some of them choose not to. Some of them just crack on through the day to get done quicker. Others like to stop and have something to eat. Obviously that adds time onto the day for them. It's their individual's choice.
4 o'clock, so who cares?
That's it, sun's out now as well. Sun's out, Harry's happy. You got your sun cream on, Harry? Fair hair, factor 500.
Turns out I tan very nicely these days.
I know what that smell is now. It's your cheesy puffs.
So yeah, we came to see the guys working. Obviously we missed them working.
Oh, so close.
So
You
we
missed us by about this much.
that's alright. Let's go and get professionals on camera first.
Try these chips. Honestly, the best chips.
I've just eaten a McDonald's breakfast, but I'll eat one. They are good chips. Proper crunchy.
They're like top diner chips.
Go on, Aaron, do it. Go on, Aaron.
Oh, cool.
I'll have Sean's one. Alright, so that's a wrap. Alright, so that's us. That's our Friday visiting done for the day. And that's pretty much us wrapping up for the week as well now. We've got no vans out over the weekend. Let the lads have a break, thaw out and prepare themselves for next Monday. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please click subscribe and you'll see plenty more footage coming from us soon. Take care.